body.
Ma'am, can't able to share PPT.
Sir, I given photos
Yeah.
to you, sir. You can share the screen now.
I'm visible. Screen is visible, sir. I'm audible and screen is visible.
Yes, the screen is
Yes.
visible.
Okay. Dear students, today the session is, I think, today the session is eighth session or seventh session, eighth sessions. Good evening to all. Today the session is eight sessions. We already started with one that ideations, different types of ideation in the past classes. So design thinking is a wonderful tool for innovations mindsets. Design thinking is a tool. Design thinking is a tool for new product, new business model, a new service design, a new service design tool. In the past 7 days, these are different types of design thinking dimensions: persona, wheel on product, ideations, need identifications. How to can approach the customer with cordially, how to can approach the customers, empathy, how to can capture the 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 emotions, how to can capture the emotions of the human, how to can capture the product features, human centered design. We are seeing the different products for a human centered designs, design for services, and prototype and human experience are we will see that coming days. And visualizations, how to can visualize the product, how to can visualize the persons. Sir, you can able to visualize your customer persona, buyer persona, different types. We already saw that. Now we will move for the next level, design thinking tools. Sir, yesterday, design thinking is the normal things you already know. Every day we are seeing different types of phases: empathize, define, ideate. Up to this, we are completed. Empathize, define, ideate, we are completed. We are seeing different things, sir. Very interesting things. Journey map, journey map, empathy map, different people persona, like an actor Steve Devi persona. We are really going in a good way. We should learn some more tools for related to the design thinking. Today, the yesterday you are seeing very interesting ideation techniques. Camera, wonderful tools. Any product, new product to old product to new products coming fall on this camera ideation techniques only. Just note it, sir. Now I have a old product. I want a new product. I have a old product. I want to develop one new product. I want to develop a new product. So I want to develop a new product. I want to develop a new product. At ideation techniques, we need some ideation techniques. Lot of ideation techniques are there, sir. From starting itself, 5Y1H, 3WH, 5WH, WH, 5Y questions, 5Y. Lot things are there. For particularly very interesting tool is scammer and Tridge. Scammer and Tridge. Whatever the problems, you convert the numerical from numerical. Your problem should convert in numerical into you get it, you can able to solutions. That things is a very interesting thing. Today the sessions we will start. No matter what people tell you, words and ideas can change the world. Just note it. Words, what the words. US presidents are telling some words mean that words can change the entire world. Ideas, your ideas. Some people's ideas are change the entire world. Like a telephone, you take a telephone. you take COVID injections. The words are change the entire world. Some inventions, like Alan Turing inventions, are protected the entire people life in Second World War times. It's a very interesting. Words and ideas can change the world. Some people, first graduate people, you can able to realize. First graduate people can change the entire family lifestyles. First graduate change the people. Teach peoples are change the entire world. Just see that this is for the history of innovation cycles. History of the innovation cycles. When you just observe this innovation cycle, observe the innovation cycle. I will ask questions. 1 minute you read the cycle. Just see that history of innovation cycles. The first wave before 60 years and next 55 years. Every 50 years, so one big cycles are coming. The technology aspects. Just see that second wave is focused on steam power and rail and steel. And third wave is giving the importance of electricities and chemicals and internal IC engines. Sir, IC engines are coming into the third wave boom innovation cycles. IC engines are coming for on the third wave. The fourth wave is the petrochemical and electronics and aviation cycles. The fourth wave. The fifth wave is I think 90s started digital worlds. 90s itself started the digital world, digital network, software, new media. Now it's the AI world. 2020 wave all the things. You just see, absorb any product. You can able to visible AI, artificial intelligence, or robotics. People are seeing robotics for nano robo and cobots. Anybody, sir? What is mean by the cobots? Anyone? Cobots? Scammer reservoir. So what is the cobots? Cobots mean what? Cobots. What does it mean by cobots? Anyone? Anyone tell me cobots? Are you here or not here? Anybody's cobots, collaborative robots. Yes, so it's very nice answer. Collaborative robots. Just see, in your colleague, you imagine your colleague as a one robo. You are working in one corporate company. In your nearer, one persons are there. In your nearer, one persons are there. That person is a robo. The person's in a robo. That is robo. Human to human working culture is different. Human to human working cultures are different. Human to robo. Robo to robo. Robots are sharing your work. Robots are sharing your work. Robots are sharing your work cultures. Robots are sharing your work culture. That is, entire things are sixth waves. AI, robotics, and all the things are now already started. This sixth wave is the biggest wave. The sixth wave is the biggest wave. Now, yes, define your product and the purpose. First of all, sir, I am developing one product. Your product development process start with objective. Your product, sorry, any product you have. 2 days before I told you, any product have the two objective: direct objective and hidden objective. Sir, my hidden objective is I want to commercialize this product. My hidden objective is I took more profit from this product. Objective: I want to serve the society through this product. objective. Why this product? Why this product? Why these products are really needed to the public? How? How I can how the technologies? How? Why the product is need to the society? You take mask. You take mask. Yes, mask is essentially need the product. Needed the product for the society. Why? How? Technology. How mean technology? How you should implement? How should you implement? What technology you are taking this uh, fabrication times, uh, fabrication times you are taking for mask, and what features you are giving or adding, extra adding, what features are extra in this your product. Just note it. What? First, why? What's your objective? How? What's your technology? What's your additional features in the product? You take any product, not only for mask, not only for mask. You take this mobile phone major mobile phone major thing is mobile phone major thing is what? Mobile phone major thing is communications only, one-to-one communication. But the and that is the objective, but that is a why is communications. How mean technologies, 4G, 3G, 5G technologies. And one more thing is there. And what the people are giving additional features? What additional features are giving? you are you are not a you are not a monopoly in the market. You are a product, sir. So before 10 years, BSNL only monopoly in the communications market. Monopolies, Reliance is sorry, BSNL only, BSNL only the monopoly in the communications market. Now telecommunications market, now all the people are playing major role. Reliance and Airtel, uh, Vodafone's playing major roles, sir. Major roles. Monopoly to multi competitions are coming now. It's a very tough. We'll come for one more example. Just see what's really happening, what you infer from the picture. Anybody's? What's really happening? What's doing? The guy is what doing? Is a Bharat? What's doing? Just see that my slate, and you tell me what's really doing this guy. Man is picking separating Venkadachinam is a correct answer. Sir, filling the products into the box. Yes, I want to fill the product. Not as the fruits are not equal size. My fruits are not equal size. I want to segregate based on the size. The based on the size. Based on this, the guy objective is to fill the box. Fill the box. Different size. Different sides. Separating the fruits by separating the fruits in the boxes. I want to separate boxes. I want to. The guy is not using any not advanced technology. The guy is using very simple things only. What technologies are behind that? Any laws are behind that? Any technologies are there? Anybody? Sir, it's an answer. Your answer is correct. The guy is separating, classifying the fruits based on the size. It's a correct answer. For a wonderful answer. Is there behind this any technologies? No new tech, no inventions are there. No technology. Definitely no technologies are there. No technologies are there. The guys are simply making two. It's look like a normal only. Yes, Venkatesh. Yes, Venkatesh. It look like normal only. But the guy is doing wonderful job. It's creativity. It's a creativity. It's doing only for two things. Two rod is there. The two rod combined one structure is there. Through this structure, through this structure, the guys are separating. That is a creativity. That is a simple creativity. The smaller is the creative one, best one. You identify this type of problems. This type of problem you identify and you give the solutions. You give the solution to the society. And one more thing, yes, yes, today the first tool is affinity diagrams. Affinity diagrams may be separate by weight also. Weight here not weight, here only for size, based on the fruit size only. Just to see, my tool is a affinity mapping. Affinity mapping means you are segregating, sir. You are organizing data. You are grouping based on some similarities, based on some similarity, based on some similarity, based on theme. You can able to segregate. Sir, my customer is only for this age group people only. For example, walkie stick. You take the walkie stick. Walkie stickers, walkie stick is only for more than 60 and above age group peoples only. You are segregating. You are segregating. You are clustering. You are organizing data through affinity mapping. Yesterday I told to you, connecting the rods. Connecting the rods. Today I will teach you connecting the not rod, connecting the rod, then cluster the rods, cluster the dots, connecting the dots, connecting the dots, after connected the dots, you cluster. Just note it, sir. You cluster the dots. You cluster the dots. That is called as the affinity mapping. That is called as the affinity mapping. For example, why, that is a steps in affinity diagram. Generate new ideas and display ideas. You write it one by one. You write it one by one. And you sort it into groups. Okay, these ideas are suitable for this kind of peoples only. And create a header card. Create a header card. And draw one full finished diagrams. That is the affinity diagram. Just note it. Generate all ideas. Don't initially don't group, sir. Initially your mind should be very blank only. You generate lot of ideas and display your ideas one by one, like investigation journalism. People are doing the investigation journalism times. Connecting the rods is very important in investigation. So this case have a connected with this case due to that similarities. Due to that similarities, just see that some thriller cases, some serial killers are there, some psycho killers are there. Peoples are taking this case is a separate place, this case is a separate place. Peoples are connecting the rods, connecting the similarities between the two cases. It's called as the one type of affinity. Peoples are connecting the rod and cluster the case. That is affinity map, affinity diagrams. That is affinity diagrams. For example, HR, training, and progress, and the billing, and end power times. You can able to see a lot of a lot of things are there. HR training process, and billing. Billing, lot of things you can able to see, sir. For example, just see that empower, what the connections are there, what classes are there, you can able to visible. Billing, what connectivities are there, what clusters are you can able to do, like a phone directory you take. This type of people phone directory is coming into the first. For example, in your diary you take, you are writing nowadays, after digital revolution, people are not keeping a diary. People are not keeping your diary. Maybe your fathers are using some small diary, small diaries. The people are writing the first page, hospital numbers, fathers, emergencies numbers. So this kind of connectivity and clustering, that is the affinity diagrams. I will move for next. Design for usability, effectiveness and efficiency, effectiveness and satisfaction. Sir, you are doing any product design, business model, service model, it should be efficient as well as effectiveness. This, sir, my systems are very effective, very efficient. Okay. Then third one, your system should considerable one for customer satisfactions also. Sir, be smart. Be smart. Anybody's are mechanical guys are there. Tell me that smart materials. What is the mean by smart material? What is the material means by any one smart materials? Can you able to tell? Mechanical or material engineers, you tell me any one smart material. Smart material. Talent. I will come. Smart material. One smart material. I think lot of different background peoples are there. Stainless steel, not a lightweight material, but strength material is called as aluminum and its compounds. Sir, aluminum and its composite, it's called as smart materials. Normally, the people's weights are very less. The weights are very less, but the strengths are more. That kind of materials, the people's are peoples are calling smart material. Sir, I ask one question to you. In your class, also have some student. In your friends, you take in your friends. Some people before one day night only studied. Before one day night only studying, but the scoring more marks. More marks. Some people daily studying. Some people are daily studying. That is a continuous practice. That is a different story. Just you see, some people are studying daily at the scoring score maybe 70%, 75% only. But some people are before one day night only studying for examinations time. But the people are scoring a great score. The people are getting a great score. You tell me, is there difference are there? Sir, your friend, you are studying daily, sir. You are getting 85%. Okay, based on knowledge. Okay, you are getting 85% score. But your friends are studying before one day. The friends are focused. Your friends are scored more than 90% mark. You are studying 10 days or 15 days. Very hard work you are doing. Your friend only one day studied, and that friend got 90% marks. That guy is called as a smart guy. Smart guy. He is spending concentration, focused on study. Lot of things are very hard. Sir, corporates are not focusing, not like hard workers. Corporate want smart workers only. Corporate want smart workers only. Innovative understanding, yes, concentrating concepts that only the people are telling. Focused study based on knowledge studies. People are doing lot terms. So be smart. Design thinking also saying be smart.
How to improve smart, sir?
How to can you improve that smart mean? We will take one more class. I will tell you that smart. There's a lot of techniques are there. I will teach you the next class. But smart is a design thinking. Smart product.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I will tell you. I will tell you the last slides. I will tell you that be smart, sir. I want to more score. What? Okay. These slides. Efficient and effectiveness. These two things are there. Some people are working is the long-term goals. With long-term goals. Some people are working with focused on outputs only. The day one, I told to you, what's your outcomes? What's the outcome? What take away from the workshop? Sir, you are traveled with me 10 hours. You are traveling with me the 10 hours. You are have a different backgrounds. You are in Andhra, I am in Chennai. But what you are take away from the workshop? A lot of concepts you are taking for it's very useful for your projects. Outcome and output. That is the outcomes are efficiency oriented, but outcomes are effectiveness oriented. Outputs are efficiency oriented. Efficiency oriented. Outcomes are speaking about the revenue, service, day-to-day life. Day-to-day life is outcomes. Sorry, output. Outcomes are speaking about the achievements, client satisfaction, company objective. What impact you can able to do with this product? Like this outcomes. Like this is outcomes. And one more thing, you just see 1 minute. The just observe effective and efficient. The right thing is called as a effective, sir. The efficient mean the things right. That is a efficient. You are asking one question, sir. Just now, sir, how I can able to smart, how I can able to score more than my friends. Very less time spent. I want to more scores, sir, like this. Effective. You see the right things. The effective mean the right things. People, sir, spend more input and getting output. Efficient mean this person's a 100% efficient person mean the persons are spending very taking very little input and producing more output. The things right. The things right. Your friend, the guy, smart guys are understand the concept. Whatever the people want, the examiner, whatever the expected questions, all the things are fine-tuned. All the things are fine-tuned. So only the guy can able to produce very less input and more output with the corporates are like this kind of peoples only. Corporate not want effective people. All the peoples are effective, sir. But corporates want only for efficient people only. Because corporates mantra is corporate mantra is corporate mantra is corporates are always giving limitations in project. Corporates are allocating not corporates are not allocated. Corporates are corporates are corporates are just note it. Corporates are like efficient people. Efficient people. Be smart. Be smart. Guy is why this sound? Okay, the next 3-box ideations. Next one is 3-box ideations. Three box ideations. Just see that corporate another one tools. Just see everybody life have some past is there, current running present is there, futures are there. Futures are there. The corporate peoples, what learn lessoning taking from this 3-box ideation concepts now. The peoples are taking lessons from the past. The peoples are realizing, 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 just note it, the peoples are realizing the past product. The Nokia always collecting the feedback from the past, past the products. Samsungs are collecting the feedbacks. Our bike companies, like bike companies, always collecting the feedback from the service centers, service centers. So people, product development times, the product development times, the peoples are picking and valuable points from the past. And now the peoples, you have a current present is there. Optimize how to that previously the products are producing this. Now how I can able to improve this level. For example, now our target is a yield. Our yield is a 95% yield. Already have my past. I want 99%. That is a my present. You always connect with your present and past. You can able to create new things. Invent a new business or a new model. You take lessons from the past and you manage now your present. You can able to create a new features. Just note it. Selective and forget the password. Selective and forget the password. Past. For example, why who is that companies are uh, why companies why companies are investing not only not one business. The companies are investing more business. For example, you take Reliance, who is uh, who is owner of the Reliance? Who is the owner of the Ambani, Dhirubhai Ambani? The Ambanis are entered which business? Ampanis are Ampanis are Ampanis are Ambani, Dhirubhai Ambanis are entered first what business? Marketing. Yes, marketing is his first business. Is a first business. Textile. Yes, correct answer, Manokar. It's the correct answer. He entered first textile. Then the peoples are slowly moving all type of business in India. The peoples are entering power plant. The peoples are entering the oil and gas industry. The peoples are entering telecommunications. So why the people's investing more business? Sir, already I have a profit. I have a very luxury life I have. Why the corporate people's corporates are different for more profit? Sir, Reliance have successful in the textile, very successful in textile. Now the Reliance are investing other this kind of strategies are here. Some corporate companies, new companies also not only doing this business only. The peoples are doing in different vertical. Is investing its profit to different vertical. Anyone? Not only for more profit. Sir, already I got more profit this business, but currently the peoples are simultaneously investing another parallelly business, parallel another one vertical. For example, vertical. You well known that one hospital, Apollo. You take Apollo. Apollo have very good things going on. The people are have profit, is doing very good way the business. Apparently, the people are investing pharma companies. Is a pharma companies. Due to that stock, you can't able to predict this market is today is a very good, but future the biggest question mark is there after 25 years stock market. So the people's corporate want, just note it, corporate want multi-talent people with design thinking people, sir. So only to get in the good corporate want very good position in the world. Okay, so very eagerly investing different field. Even IT companies are coming to other business. IT companies are coming to other business. Other peoples are coming to other business, other vertical. Completely one vertical to another one vertical is coming, sir. TCS, sir. You take a Tata. You take Tata. Tatas are coming for balancing profit and losses. Yes, correct answer. This answer only my expected answer. Veena is a correct answer. Balancing is profit, sir. Future you can't able to predict market. So the peoples are balancing the profit and losses. This is for 3-box ideations. Just say that very interesting cases. Just 1 minute you observe. Bitcoin, okay. Just 1 minute you observe and what tell me what really what's you are seeing? What's you are seeing, sir? In my slide, what's you are seeing? In my slides, what you are seeing? Just see this and this. This and this. Just see and what you are visualizing. Are you here? I see paintable images. Any other things? House features. And the help of the paints which make the images. Every room has designed it for particular application. House designing, different shades in white. Sir, the room viewer, one software app, the paint companies. Before things, the peoples are using only for 8 colors only. Now the peoples are calling the English colors. I want this maroon with this. It's a very wonderful colors. Before 10 years, the colors mean 7 colors only. Now in paint company attracting the customer, paint companies are attracting the customers through the room viewer. One app, one softwares are there. It's the biggest paint company. Not the companies are not for normal people. For example, sir, this is for a 10-floor room. 10-floor room. It is in the mid in the city. I want one color. In great color. This color is novel and unique. This color is novel and unique. See that some buildings are there. The paint color, the people are choosing a different day of paint colors. It is a very attractive things. A color, very attractive, rememberable colors. Rememberable colors. Not only for the prime colors, the 7 sky blue, 7 colors, not a 7 colors. The peoples are can able to choose out of this 7 colors. Room viewer. That is a one new innovations. You give your room images. You give your room image. You give your room images. Just see the you give your room images and you just choose your colors. Not only for 7 colors, any colors. The people have a color library. Just notice that the people paint company have a color library. From the color library, the peoples are taking one more simulations easily. Sir, 10 floor, 20 floor, the color choose is very important things. Nowadays, very simple. The people, paint company have a color library. Paint company have a color library. You are giving the images. You are giving the images. You are giving the building images. You are giving the building images. Through the building images, you can able to simulate. You can able to visualize your building. This is a one kind of innovations. Another one, normally the 2-3 laws of the design thinking is a very important things. Less is more. Less is more. Sir, I have asked one questions. You are heard some news, very sad news. In the COVID times, some people are the companies are sacked, companies are terminated, like this news we are hearing. I think 2007, one biggest waves are came. That IT company resistance. Lot of IT companies are more people are jobless that way. After that, the companies are thinking we should concentrate on only for effective peoples only. Corporate strategies. Corporate strategies. It's a really, these persons are really needed our company or not needed. The peoples are every year, the peoples are evaluating. Before things, the CTS have a bench, one concepts are there. Anybody's are known TCS and CTS bench. You are asked your friends, some people are telling, you are in which domain, which area, I mean, the people are telling, no, I have no work, I am in bench. What is the meaning by bench? What is the mean by bench? Anybody? The corporate world, bench. Anybody? Are you hearing or not hearing? Interesting one or two tools I have discussed, then I will close. Bench. And I will tell you. Sitting on bench mean not sitting on corporate tools, not corporate. Sir, corporates are taking more people. For example, I want 100 people. You know that some colleges are taking 300 offers CPS, 400 offers, like this there. Like this, they are taking but excess manpower. Previously, the corporate have taking excess manpower for project. Now, the peoples are thinking, these persons are effective or not effective. The persons are really needed the project or not. If the persons are not suitable, our project mean the peoples are immediately sending out. The 10 years before, 5 years before, bench on concepts are there. The corporates are taking more people, not allocating any work. That is called as a bench. That is called as a bench. TCS and CTS, the peoples are taken, sir, for job, but the peoples are waiting 6 months, 1 year, 7 months. Peoples are sitting. That is called as a bench. Now the less is more. You always corporates are like less peoples only, effective people. That is the first law. In product development also, you always think, yes, sir, this is my mobile phone. You just think each and every components are essentially need or not. If not needed mean you completely remove the components from the systems because the peoples want very less weight product only. Corporate want very not corporates are not like crowd peoples. Corporate want effective peoples only. And the second rule is the last 2% is a 200%. Last 2%. Just note it's a last 2% is a 200%. Very, 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 very important, sir. Sir, I already told to you, mobile phone mean a lot of players are now playing. like Nokia, Samsung, a lot of companies are playing. Every month, the people are every day you are seeing a different product, different varieties of product. At last, that the basic fundamentals are same, sir. All the mobile phones basic fundamentals are same only. But the 2% differentiations, variations. Sir, how Ola is overcoming with Uber with very small deviations, very small differentiation. That is a 2% deviations. Sir, you and your friend, same bench, same marks. Sometimes the people are moving for a very growths are very high. It is a 2% deviation. But the last 2% need identifications. The people's very important one. Sir, this mobile and Nokia mobiles are same. But what features? The last features. Most of the companies are not understanding the last 2% people need. The last 2%, you refer that the people are unstated problem definitions. People are telling the unstated problem definitions. These unstated problem definitions, unstated customer requirements are reflecting 200%. Sir, Nokia companies are not addressed this problem, sir. They are mobile. We can able to address this problem, sir. That is a growth. That is a growth of the company. That is a last 2% is a 200%. 10 gram, 100 grams, and 1000 grams. It's called as a law periodized. For example, in a mobile company, you take mobile company or network company, every day the service company receiving lot of complaints. But some complaints, the people are taking very periodized complaints. So the Nokia, Airtels are customer care, credit card customer care. Every day, people are receiving a lot of calls in the service centers. But some complaints, the people are giving the more importance, periodized, everyday life also. Your life also you segregate 100 gram problems, you give that more importance. 1000 gram problems, you give more, you classify the complaints, your problems in 3 different types: 100 grams, 1000 grams, and 10 grams. 10 grams are very less weightages the problems. Very less weightages the problems. You address first 1000 gram problems first. 1000 gram problems first. You put effort on 1000 gram problems. 1000 gram problems. And one more concepts are there. Exponential. What is the mean by exponential? What is the mean by exponential? What is the mean by exponential? In mathematics. Anybody's? You tell me what is the mean by exponential? What is the mean by exponential? Increase gradually. That is a Surti is a correct answer. Any other answer? Y that is equal to mx, that is plus c's things. Y that is log e to the power of x. Some formulas are increasing into s. Correct answer. Subair Muhammad, it's a very correct answer. Increase into power. I can able to create this product in increase to its powers. For example, now you are in 10. Now your profit is at 10 lakhs. The Reliance and other people are doing like this, rising a number in the power aspects. For example, 10 to the power of x, 10 to the power of x, 10 to the power of x. For example, first one is the people are putting 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3. The people are putting an effect. People are putting in different effect in terms of numerical in terms of power. The power being automatically is doubling or tripling, like this is coming. So you put your effects in the power terms only, not for normal numerical. 10 is different, 10 to the power of 2 is the difference. 10 is different, 10 to the power of x is different. Some people are calling as a 10x thinker. So you always prefer for 1000 kg problems. Period. Everybody have a problem, sir. Every product have some problems, but the people should address periodized problems only. And you put your effect power, 10 power in logarithmic power, logarithmic incremental things, incremental. And one more thing, blue eye diagrams, application systems, network. Sorry, entire company, you can able to picturize. The Reliance mean you can able to picturize. Adani group of companies mean you can able to visualize. Okay, Adani group of companies started this. Sir, before one day, you are attended today that one company mean, your company before one day night, you are seeing the company share value, company owner, company founder, all the things are you are seeing. You can able to visualize, you can able to visualize one company through that pulse eyes diagrams, applications, systems, and network and policies. Through that, what policies are the people are following? What's the network, the people network? What systems the people are following? What the people's are real applications are doing? For example, I will move for these things. For example, brand values are one case I will take. They see that that yellow color circle, that is a brand, one particular product brand. And the blue color circle, the brand. So every day, persona. I told you, all the peoples are different mindset. Peoples are using the product. Some persons are very funny. Some persons are very fresh to the product. Some persons are very young and cool guy, democratic guys, inclusive guys, light-hearted guy, engaging guys. Like different type of peoples are using the mobile phones. The companies are already put the persona for bias persona. One funny person, very funny, very uneducated guy using iPhone. What problems the guys are facing? Very educated persons are using the mobile phone, iPhone. That time, what things are the mobile company challenges? Both people should satisfy. Just note it. Both people should satisfy. iPhone, you well known as a technology. Uneducated person, less than 10 standard, one guys are operating. Parallelly, one MTech guys are operating, one PhD guys are operating. Company should satisfy both the people. Okay. So, what strategy the companies are following? Keep pricing, lower mode rate, interact and engage more customers, developing fashion sense. Yes, developing the companies are, some companies are, I just see lot of awareness programs are organizing. Lot of organizing that different types of programs that people are organizing. CSAR fund, the people are giving the CSAR fund. Product sell or not think. The people are not worries. The peoples are interacting more, giving the more interaction, more attractions to the customer. So you can able to visualize one product, product, and any of your thought. So you can able to visualize company, person, anything. For example, the eye pulse eye diagrams, and one more thing is there, eye view, bird view. You can able to visualize. It's a one kind of ideation tool, applications. What company real application? What company's real product? What systems are there in the company? What network? Yes, the company now started in India. Already have a branches in South Africa and Dubai. What policy? What policies have a company have a? Some policies are there. One more thing. You see that A/B test. A/B test. Sir, variety. People want different variety in the product. People want more variety. People want more features in the single product. People want more features the product. People want more variety. For example, before 5 years before, you can able to select only for this colors car only. Before 5 to 6 years before, the mobile companies are introduced only for black colors mobile phone only. Now the people are picking. I want light brown color mobile phone cover and things. I want white color. White color. Sir, just see that AP test. I will explain very good. Same features, same features, same features, same technology, same mobile phone. Option A is a black color mobile phone. Option B is a white color mobile phone. Option A is a black color mobile. Option B is a white. Sorry, option A is a black. Option A is a white color mobile phone. Option B is a black color mobile phones. You are giving two options. You are giving two options to the public. Sir, one company. This is today the companies are introduced on mobile phone. The companies are introduced the two mobile phones. One mobile phone is a A. A is a white color. A is a white color. Same features, same technology. The companies are introduced one more model. B model. The model is a black color. The model is a black color. You are preferring the mobile phone. Most of the, I'm not asking you, most of the Indians psychology, which color is people are preferring? Black or white? Black colors only. Yes, black colors mobile phones only. Indians are preferring for black colors mobiles. So the people, the A/B testing, sir, companies are not producing equal things. For example, 25%, 24% selling this product, B product, black color mobile phones mean the people are producing more counts for a B colors. Less people's only selecting the white colors. So the companies are producing very less numbers for A product. Like this varieties, people's, sir, I am developing on new mobile phones. New mobile phones mean you should give your client, you just give your customer with different colors. Why the people are attractive? The people are giving different features, same features but different colors. So one kind of strategies. And just this only one Cano model. The very interesting things. Cano model. 3 lines are there. Your companies are executing the very poor to excellent lines. Parallelly, the companies are measuring the customer satisfaction. Very low to delighted as very high satisfaction. Just see that my graph, very wonderful questions are there. Basic and performance and existence. The C's are on x-axis is execution. Poor to excellent execution. Customer satisfaction, very low to high. Poor execution to excellent execution. Customer satisfaction, very low to very high. Just note it's a execution, poor to excellent. Customer satisfaction, very low to very high. Just see, we want high level executions with customer satisfaction. That is a Gano model. Sir, some people are executing very low executions. Companies are executing with low execution, with very low customer satisfaction. That is not good. The company definitely fall. I want great, excellent execution with customer satisfactions. Very excellent execution. This type of execution is not a single person responsibility. A lot of people, if the company mean lot of people are working, sir. For example, design team, manufacturing team, project team, product team, R&D, sales, marketing, all the peoples are integrally working. That is excitement. The customer, after this, only customers are getting product. After customer getting the got the product, we have stages are there. Service centers, how the people warranty, guarantee, lot of terms are there. You should run a product high execution with high customer set. That is a Gano model. That is an IT company model. And PDCA, Plan Do Check Act. It's a one type of tool. Plan Do Check Act. Any people, you want product development or you want life development, any cases, sir, now I am in 7.5 CGPA, sir. I want 8 CGPA, sir. Company want, sir, we are getting now 8.5 lakhs, 8.5 crore turnover, sir. We want 25 crore turnover for next year. Sir, this year my salary is 5 lakh CTC, sir. I want 10 lakh CTC for next year. What we will do? Plan, do, act, and check. Just note it, sir. I will, for 1 or 2 minutes, I will close my sessions. Just to note it. Plan, do, check, act. Plan, do, check, act. It's a one type of quality control. It's relevant to that design thinking. It says all should must know this tool. Plan, PDCA. The circle name is PDCA. Plan, do, check, act. Plan, do, check. Plan, you are identify your problems. Sir, now I am 7.5 CGPA, sir. I want 8.5 CGPA, sir. Then only I can able to get the dream offer. Plan. Do. Evolve and everyone and execute. Everyone evolve and execute. That is a do phase. Check each and every stages, you just check. Compare. Just check. Assessment test, cycle test, all the things, your performance, you just check, measure and check, and share, do and check, and act 100% involved act. One cycle is not finished, now that cycle is not finished. You should start another one cycle. Reflect, share your learning experience, standardize your process. Sir, some people are always keeping 8 CGPA in the from the first semester to up to 8th semester. That is called that people are standardized this marks process. The standardize is very important, sir. In your life, standardizations are very important. For example, some people are getting the second semester, the guy is getting 8 CGPA. 4th semester, the guy is getting 7 CGPA. 6th semester, the guy is getting 6.5 CGPA. Some people are very ulta. 3rd semester, the people are getting 8 CGPA, and coming other semester, the people are getting 9.95 CGPA. Like this, it's a continuous move. Standardize. You don't want very higher increment. You want only for standardized process. When you are standardized your process, mean you fixed your minds. Okay, this is my level. 8 CGPA is my level. I should keep this level for in all the semester. Similarly, corporate. This year, our profit is 8 crore. Next year is don't want
time independent. Drawing us time independent.
Next year I want to better. Next year I want to better improvement, but I don't want lower improvement. That things keep in your mind. Sir, this semester I have a 7.5 CGPA, sir. I want 8 CGPA in the next semester. 8 CGPA in next semester, 8.5 CGPA. I don't want less than 7.5. That is, you should standardize. And Last one, I hope the time is over. We will, the lean startup, very interesting things. Nowadays, I'm not touch this. I will request you, lean startup. Some colleges are taking this things in curriculums. Lean startup. The very interesting topics. Lean startup. Just see, um, one cycle is there. Idea, code, data. Idea, code, data. Idea, code, data. Idea, code, data. Learn, build, measure. Learn, build, measure. If possibles mean you just capture in your mobile or take these pictures. It's very useful for your entire life. Sir, the plan do check and Kano model. This is a common for all the things you are studying in TCOM subject. It's there. These tools are there. Build, measure, build, measure, build, measure, learn. It's a one cycle. The intermediate idea, code, and data. Build mean code faster. Code mean don't think like your software code. Code mean ideation, ideate, and measure. Your ideas are workable or not workable. Learn from your failures, from your competitor failure. You analyze your product and your competitor product. Like this, learn, build, measure, and learn. Build, measure, and learn. Ideas before build. Before build, you want idea. Before build, you want idea. Before measure, you want code. Before learn, you want data. Just to see, sir, is a wonderful explanation, sir, there. Just see, idea, I want code. I want code. Before build, you want idea. Before measure, you want code. Before learn, you want data. Yes, failure data, successful data, any data you need. From the data only, you are learning new things. And you are getting ideas from the data. Just to see that you are learning your success and failure from the data, and you are learning and producing idea based on the data. And from the idea, you are moving for code. You are moving for code, for measure. Sir, I want to measure in this way. Even though some people are telling the GDPA calculations, company value, company tangible and intangibles properties, people are measuring. You can able to measure. You can able to measure. Even though numerical and numerical, quantitative and qualitative measures, different methods are there. You can able to measure. You can able to measure the data. You can able to measure the data. From the data you can able to learn from you from the data you can able to take ideas, all the things. We will see next class. The very interesting. We will explain the next class. We will explain with two things: gain, pain, and reliever. And one more thing is there. I have no time. We will explain for tomorrow class. The reason for being. Some people are always happy. How you can able to make your life very happy. It is a Japanese secret. Japanese secret. Love, passion, mission. Don't think unobjective. Don't run unobjective life. Unobjective life. You take your passion in your life. In your life. I hope the 8-day sessions time is over. We will see in tomorrow in the 9 sessions. The 9th session is a prototype session, and 10th session we will see that IPRs. Then 10 sessions over now. That 10 sessions are over. We are very happy to interact all the peoples. We are receiving a lot of good feedbacks. The programs interact. My only request is interact a lot. We are giving spaces for you. Interact and develop your develop your product. Now itself, you are final year. Don't think now you are in final year. You are in the initial stages. Now itself, you start your projects. You learn lot things, interest and involvement, taking the next level for. Any doubts are there? No doubts, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, can I end the session?
Yeah, madam. Thank you.